Ever opened Google Chrome and wondered, where did the home button go? Hey everyone, in today's quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to add the home button in Google Chrome in just a few clicks. First, open Google Chrome. Then go to the top right corner and click on the three dots, and from the menu, select Settings. The Chrome Settings page will open. In the search box, type Home Button. You'll see the relevant option highlighted on the page. Turn on the toggle switch to enable it. Next, enter your custom web address. For example, I'll type in the YouTube website. When that's done, a single click on the home button will instantly open my YouTube homepage. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.